we go again. Been very tough lately. Yesterday I hooked into something really big, but lost it. So I don't know what it was. You would try again, but the water looks much dirtier than what it was yesterday. Not so rubbish. Yeah, just hooked into something. I don't know what it is. Right on the surface. Ah, and it came off. It was a big fish. It was a big fish. Oh, it hasn't been a good week for me fishing wise. I haven't done a huge amount, but I have been here and I haven't caught anything. Let me give it a try again. I believe the garrick are coming out on the beaches and that, but it's difficult to fish on the beaches in my attire. Garrick should be here. Starting off with a 4-inch river prawns, what I left off with yesterday. 3-inch, not 4-inch. It also hasn't been a good week because it's dead low when I get here, and I like the outgoing tide here. And yeah, I hooked into something, yeah. Oh. Yeah, that thing hit me very strangely. I changed to the 5-inch pearl. Yeah, I'm seeing it going in the rocks. I don't know where I can land this thing. What a funny head thumper. Must be some sort of kingy. Ugh. Got a very small hook on you. Whew! Nearly went overboard. Yeah. Come on, dude. I think that's going. Ugh. Getting too old for these rocks here. It's going in the rocks. Oh, it's a very nice kingy. And try and get somewhere where I have a chance of landing it. Out they're back. They are back. How's it? Yeah, kingy. There's a kingy, GT. GT. Try and get him now. Nice, GT. Don't come off. There you go.
That's a good fish, man. That's a good start, huh?
Yeah, good start to the morning. There you go. Yeah. 4 or 5 casts, yeah.
Take a photo of the thing.
Yeah, I know, that's it. I got the video. Thanks, man. Get my rod down. Try and get this thing out of here. There we go. Nice fish. Nice fish. Thank you, Father. Now that was on the Pearl 5-inch jerk minnow, and that was the only one, and it's broken. And it gave me a lot of holes, but let's see if we can get another one. Alright, got the real prawn this time around. As I mentioned, there's some new colours coming, and I can't wait to get hold of them. Electric mullet and mullet and money. Money is the other colour. I'll put my money on that new one with that electric mullet. Oh, looking fantastic. I haven't got any samples yet, but they're coming. Other boats this morning. Oh, that was massive. Massive, massive, massive. It killed my boat. It's gone pretty quiet. Last 15-20 minutes hasn't had a bite. I've gone to the goldfish colour now. I'm going to give that a try. I've had one cast so far on it. No results. I've also moved a bit further down. I just want to try a little bit further down. It's got a bit dirtier here as the water's reached low. I thought it was coming in, but it's actually still going out by the looks of things. And a lot of dirt right up against the edges. And yeah, there doesn't seem to be many bait fish or anything around at the moment. Lots of these little tiny things. Normal sergeant majors and that. And as far as like mullets and that, there's a few around, but not many. Definitely can't quite. I think I got this a shoal of kingies coming in, and that was the end of that. Jeet. Problem is landing the thing. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, thanks. I keep meaning to bring my net. But yeah, these things are slippery. Yeah, I don't think it's as big as this morning's one, but yeah. So they're back, eh?
It's a bit late in the season, but huh?
No, but they come right through. Eh? Last year we got them right through. In fact, we got all the bigger ones now, this time of the year, winter.
I have to go down there, buddy.
I think they stand in front of you. Maybe there's a rock there, that flat rock. Thanks, man. If I can get him there, it depends on what he wants to do, too.
Yeah, don't do that. Small rock.
Yeah. And the problem is these rocks. Yeah. He'll come this way, I'm sure. Yeah, that's a small one. Yeah. Trying to get it. Sorry, it didn't. There you go. There you go. Another nice one. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the help.
No problem.
Yeah, I think that's about it for me today. Just the two, but yeah, it's great that they're back again. It's great to know that I can still catch fish, and I definitely thank that gentleman that helped me out here. It's also got a YouTube channel, I believe, yeah, he does it the right way with a net, and that's something that I should invest in. And I think I'm off to the tackle shop today to go and buy one. I'll show you what it looks like when I've got a big one, but I need a little one like that. It's much easier to land the fish. And you can see the holes in my thumb from putting them back. That clamp of mine would be the ideal thing, that fish clamp. Need to get organized, especially now with all the fish coming in now after these rains. I think these rains have done us a huge favor, opened up all the estuaries, cleaned out all the rivers, taken all the muck out, and it's now time to catch those big fish. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy.